I have got something very interesting to share with you guys. It has been an amazing journey. We get to make videos which are passionate about, and most importantly, it's you guys. Now I do have something new and very cool to share with you guys, and that is you can become an official PFC member. Not member, family is more like what we are. We are very small and very close. Just look below the video, and next to the subscribe button you will see another button called join, and now I'll tell you what this does. All the videos that we have posted and videos that we will be posting is available for everyone to watch, so there are no changes to that. On top of that, we will have exclusive content for members, and for that we have different levels, and you can see the information below. This features all allows you guys to sponsor our channel so that we can create exciting content just for you, and in return for your kind contribution you will be rewarded. So this is our way of saying thank you. Now there are 3 different levels for contribution with different rewards, which include loyalty badges, stickers that will allow people to know that you are a PFC member, early access to videos, exclusive videos, and our personal social media contact, so that you can communicate directly with us for support. We have had quite fun talking to some of you when reaching milestones. Again, everything else will remain totally free, to make sure I'm extremely clear. And if you're interested in becoming an exclusive PFC member, do buy our membership. I'll be waiting for you guys to join. Until then, take care. Bye.